Welcome, Cosmic Seekers. As we embark on this deep astrological journey, we're diving into one of the most significant planetary transits of 2025, Venus in Pisces, its exalted home. This is no ordinary movement. It's a celestial blessing that will influence love, wealth, creativity, and spiritual connections for every zodiac sign. Before we jump into the detailed predictions, let's first understand the essence of Venus, its role in astrology, and what happens when it reaches its exalted or debilitated state. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, luxury, wealth, art, pleasure, and harmony. It governs our relationships, values, desires, and creative expression. In a birth chart, Venus shows how we love, what brings us happiness, and what we seek in pleasure and companionship. Venus also rules Taurus and Libra, two signs that represent earthly stability and balanced relationships, making it a planet of both sensual indulgence and refined elegance. In love and relationships, Venus governs romance, attraction, passion, and commitment. In wealth and luxury, it represents material success, financial stability, and comforts. In creativity and art, it controls artistic talents, music, beauty, and aesthetic sense. In social and personal life, it shapes how we interact, our charm, and our sense of diplomacy. Now that we've understood what Venus represents, let's see how its position in a sign can either amplify or diminish its power. Just like a person thrives in the right environment and struggles in the wrong one, planets have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on the sign they're placed in. Venus finds its highest strength in Pisces, where it is exalted. This means Venus expresses its purest, most divine, and limitless form in this sign. Pisces, ruled by Jupiter and Neptune, is a mystical, imaginative, and deeply spiritual sign. When Venus is in Pisces, its energies manifest in the most romantic, selfless, and artistic way possible. Venus in exaltation gives unconditional love, heightened creativity, spiritual and emotional fulfillment, financial abundance, deep empathy and kindness, and magnetic attraction. People with Venus in Pisces are natural romantics, artistic souls, and deeply intuitive lovers. They see love as divine and boundless, making them selfless givers in relationships. But too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to illusion and escapism. Exalted Venus can also make people overly idealistic in love, prone to romantic fantasies, and sometimes too forgiving, even in toxic relationships. On the opposite end, Venus struggles the most in Virgo, where it is debilitated. Virgo is a practical, analytical, and perfectionist sign ruled by Mercury, which clashes with Venus's need for beauty and pleasure. Venus in debilitation faces lack of romantic imagination, struggles in wealth and luxury, harsh self-criticism, difficulty in expressing affection, and love becomes practical, not passionate. People with Venus in Virgo tend to overanalyze relationships, look for flaws rather than emotions, and struggle with letting go and enjoying romance. They may be great partners in terms of loyalty and service, but their perfectionism can sometimes drain the beauty of love. Venus is one of the most powerful planets when it comes to shaping our happiness, relationships, and luxuries. Whether exalted or debilitated, its influence plays a massive role in our personal and financial lives. Now that we understand what Venus represents and how it behaves in different signs, we're ready to explore its 2025 transit in Pisces and how it will affect each zodiac sign individually. For Capricorn natives, Venus is a powerful planet that governs love, beauty, wealth, and relationships. For Capricorns, Venus will transit through various houses in the coming months, impacting different areas of your life. And you'll be feeling the influence strongly as Venus moves into the exalted position from January 28th to March 2nd, followed by retrograde from March 2nd to April 13th. Let's dive into what this means and how it will impact various areas of your life. From January 28th to March 2nd, Venus will be exalted in your third house, the house of communication, short trips, and relationships with siblings. This is a brilliant time for expressing your emotions, creativity, and connecting with others in a more heartfelt manner. You might feel a surge of creativity, whether through writing, art, or sharing deep conversations with close friends and family. Venus exalted here indicates a special period for rekindling relationships and fostering harmonious communication with those around you. But there's a twist. Mercury is in your first house, which may lead to some mental restlessness. You're intellectually curious, but you could be feeling distracted, which may affect the depth of your connections. Also, Saturn in your second house makes you value practicality over indulgence. You're likely to find yourself balancing emotions with the rational side of things during this period. Financially, Venus will give you some significant advantages during its exalted position. Your communication and networking abilities will shine, and these could lead to income opportunities, especially from creative projects or collaborations. You might even find some unexpected sources of income, possibly from foreign connections or digital platforms. However, Saturn in your second house calls for caution. Avoid impulsive spending and focus on saving for the long term. Once Venus goes retrograde on March 2nd, some financial matters could be delayed or slowed down. You may feel like there's a holdup in your income or expenses might go higher than expected. This is the time to rework your financial plans and avoid making any big purchases. Here are a few tips for you. For exalted Venus, wear light green or white to enhance Venus's positivity. For Saturn, wear dark blue or black for stability in financial matters. Spend wisely during Venus retrograde. Do not take on new financial commitments until after Venus goes direct in mid April. Venus's exalted position in the third house suggests that communication will be a key asset for your career. If you're in media, marketing, sales, or creative industries, this is a fantastic time for you to elevate your professional life through networking and sharing your creative work. However, Mercury is in the first house, and retrograde Venus from March 2nd onwards could bring some delays in promotions or projects. For Capricorn entrepreneurs, focus on refining your business strategies during Venus retrograde instead of launching new projects. Use this time to analyze and restructure business plans. After April 13th, once Venus is direct, you'll see smoother progress, especially in areas related to communication, creativity, and public relations. Your financial decisions and speculative investments will be strongly affected by Venus in Pisces. While Venus in your third house brings favorable conditions for making long term investments in creative or media based projects, be cautious about making impulsive moves during Venus retrograde. With Saturn and Mercury's influence in your first house, do not take risk without consulting professionals. Instead, use this period to revisit old financial strategies, and when Venus turns direct, reassess investment opportunities. Venus is the planet of love and relationships, and in Pisces, it elevates your emotional bonds. If you're single, the time is ripe for deepening emotional connections and people who resonate with your spiritual and creative sides. Whether you're meeting someone new or reconnecting with someone from your past, the energy is more about soul connections than fleeting romance. However, Venus retrograde can bring some turbulence to existing relationships. If unresolved issues pop up during this phase, do not rush to make permanent decisions. It's a time for reevaluating relationships, not for major commitments or breakups. For Capricorn couples, Venus's exalted position in your third house might inspire meaningful conversations that strengthen your bond. For married Capricorns, focus on communication and understanding during the first part of the year. With Venus in Pisces, this is a good time for creative businesses, digital media, or communication based ventures. However, due to Venus retrograde from March 2nd, avoid launching any new businesses during this period. Instead, focus on revising and improving your current business models. Once Venus is direct in mid April, the momentum will shift, making it a better time for new projects. Capricorns. This is a time for reflection and planning. As Venus moves retrograde, remember it's not a time to rush. Use this phase to reassess your emotional and financial goals and focus on growth in all areas of life. From January 28th to March 2nd, Venus will bless you with the opportunity for beautiful communication and networking. Use it wisely. After Venus turns direct in April, you'll see the fruits of your patience and strategic planning. Trust your intuition and take the time to clear emotional clutter. Good things are ahead once Venus turns direct. Here are some remedies for you. For Venus, wear pastel shades like light pink or peach to enhance Venus's positive effects. You can donate artistic tools or cosmetics to promote beauty and creativity in your life. For Saturn, wear dark blue or black to attract financial stability and wisdom. Donate black clothes or oil to reduce obstacles in your material wealth. For Mercury, wear green to enhance your communication abilities. Donate books or stationery to strengthen your intellectual prowess and clarity. For Mars, wear red to balance Mars's fiery influence and donate red lentils for improved health and better work-life balance. For Rahu, wear blue to reduce the malefic effects of Rahu and donate blankets or woolen items to those in need. Capricorn, Venus's transit through your third house brings a mix of creativity, communication, and emotional healing, making it a fantastic time to focus on personal growth and connections. While Venus retrograde can slow down financial progress or bring relationship reevaluations, patience and careful planning will yield great rewards as the year progresses. Stay grounded and trust the process as Venus helps you transform key areas of your life. The stars don't control your destiny, they guide it. Your actions define your path. That's all for today's deep dive into Venus Transit 2025 in Pisces. We've uncovered the mysteries of Venus's exalted and debilitated states and how they shape our love, wealth, and destiny. But this is just the beginning. Stay with us as we decode the impact of this powerful transit on each zodiac sign one by one. At Sitara Ko Safar, our mission is to guide you through the cosmic energies shaping your life. If you're facing any personal challenges related to love, career, health, or finances, you can book a personal consultation with astrologer N. Baksh. For appointments, contact via the WhatsApp number on your screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, share with friends and family who love astrology, and subscribe to Sitara Ko Safar and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on your astrological journey. The stars have much more to reveal, so stay connected. We will meet in the next video.